Okay, so this is going to be a video about factoring a trinomial that looks like x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so in order to factor this, I'm actually going to start with the factors first. So I'm basically starting with the end product of what I would want if I factored this. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is distribute this x and this m and this x and this n. So you should end up with x squared plus mx plus nx plus mn. From here, I'm going to factor out the x from this mx and this nx, and I'm going to end up with x squared plus m plus n times x plus mn. If you remember, the whole point of this video is to factor out this expression right here. And now what I'm going to do is, you can see this m plus n is going to be equal to this b variable right up here. This b is going to be equal to m plus n, and this m times n is going to be equal to c. M times n. And this is really important. What you're basically trying to find here when you're factoring is, you start out with an expression like this. You want the b to be equal to the sum of two numbers that multiply together to get c. Okay, so that's going to be really important when you're factoring an expression that looks like this. All right, the next video is going to be going over some examples of how to use this. If you have any questions about this, let me know.